here I am, you know. We gotta be checking passes, see what sodas pass and see what sodas fail. And to me, there should be a law that you have to have someone at every door taste testing every soda and making sure that the soda is good enough. You know? And you know, once in a while, you might find a generic soda that's good. And this is actually a generic brand soda. You know what this is? It's 1927 Company Orange Soda. Do you know what brand 1927 Company is?
What brand?
What store?
It's not a whole paycheck.
No.
What is it?
7-Eleven.
7-Eleven's got their own soda?
7-Eleven has their own soda. You don't find it too often. Not all 7-Eleven sell it, but this is a orange soda. You know, generic sodas, usually they fuck up the cola, but they do good on the fruit sodas. And this is an orange soda, and it says here it's made with real sugar. And 1927 is actually when 7-Eleven, basically, the roots of what would become 7-Eleven were founded. So it goes all the way back to 1927, and they celebrate it with this soda. It's a nice orange soda. You know, orange soda is one of my favorites. I had an orange soda that was directly from Italy that tastes like orange juice, if you would believe that, a couple days ago.
Did you like it?
It was alright. It tastes more like orange juice though.
Huh.
So we're gonna see how this 1927 Company orange soda tastes. Brant, brant, brant. Boom, 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 boom. That's a good smell. You know, you have those people that sniff the wine.
Sommeliers?
Wine for it. I like sniffing the soda. It's got a pleasant smell.
What notes are you getting?
I'm getting tangy orange smell. You know, Pepsi used to have Slice as their brand, and then they kind of half-heartedly bought the Crush brand, and they put bottled Crush here. They used to have a Slice Mandarin Orange, which was the weirdest tasting orange I've ever had. But we'll see if this orange soda is good or if it fails. Yeah. I've had better. It's not too bad, but I would say it's middling. It's a middling orange soda. I'm gonna give it a 7.2.
7-Eleven almost.
Almost, but it's reverse of 27.